Damn, it's been a long time since we've worked on the Supra. And today, we're working on Phil's Supra. Can you guys guess what we're gonna be installing?
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god, that exhaust is so fucking loud. Sport mode. Alright, Phil, what are we doing today, man?
Yeah, we're doing a new exhaust, RK.
What happened to Boost Logic, bro?
It got a little bit too loud. My watch was telling me it was over 90 decibels every time I was in the car.
Oh, hell.
Hearing loss at its finest.
Oh, yeah. And what you got today?
RK, baby.
RK. I told you, RK is the way, y'all.
This is the way.
This is the way.
I told Phil to get the exhaust right when he bought the car.
I know. I didn't listen to him. My bad.
And, you know, he was new to the Supra game. You know, the Boost Logic is one of the most expensive exhausts out there. And I told him, it looks really nice, but it's super loud. It rattles a lot.
Yeah, it does. So I had to make the swap.
Good thing is he already has a buyer for his exhaust.
Yeah.
So all taken care of there. But we're going to go ahead and do the RK exhaust today. So I have a lot of people asking me on my channel, every time I work on the car and I use these QuickJacks, they're like, what is that lift system? Well, this is the QuickJack lift system. I've had it for 2.5 years. This is honestly one of the best investments I've ever done. I bought this at Costco Black Friday for $9.99. And that was a hell of a deal because I think these QuickJacks brand new are like $1,500 or $1,600 now. Really great investment, man. But it makes jacking up the car so easy. Phil's underneath the car and he's taking off the old exhaust. It's just a bunch of 13mm bolts, the exhaust brace, the mid pipe, the Boost Logic axle back. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at the RK titanium exhaust. At least the mufflers. It's like unwrapping Christmas gifts. Every single car part is just like, you get that same feeling over and over again. Look at this. Such a beauty. And then the burns too. Oh, the finishes on RK's products are just so good. Dude. Damn. Just rude. I think my oil's in.
This is?
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Have a great day.
On a day like this, you have a bad one.
Absolutely. That's the attitude right there. Thank you, sir. What the? Didn't even see Dan show up. What's up, Dan?
What's up, guys?
Where were you at this morning, bro?
Sleeping.
Dan was supposed to go hiking with me, but stayed up watching movies and got too tired.
Watching Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah. Oh, I can fit this. Yes. All right, Dan. Oh. Hey, Dan, record this. Titanium King! Boost Logic. Just kidding. Sponsor me, please. All right, y'all. We got the Boost Logic exhaust all removed, and it's time to put on this beautiful RK titanium exhaust. Dude, what's pretty wild is how light titanium is. I'm holding 2 axle backs pretty much right here in my hand with no problems. But right off the bat, both welds, both quality looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to give it to RK though, because I just know the process and I know it's made here in the United States. Section for the downpipe is all done. Here you go. Slip that mid pipe on. Hey, Dan. Yes, sir. Okay. So sorry.
What'd you eat?
Can you open this?
Yeah. What'd you eat?
Chipotle. Oh. Is it recording?
Oh.
All right, right, we're gonna finally install the last piece, and this is the finish of the RK titanium exhaust. Again, Rob at RK has many different variations for the Supra. This is the signature exhaust, which comes with a muffler. You can get a track edition that's a straight pipe all the way through, so if you're catless, it'll be hella loud. He has a dual exit exhaust, 2 versions. One's valved and one's not valved, but this is it. Look at this. It's such a freaking beauty. Does it see it? Yeah? All right. Keep shaking that, man.
Okay.
Ooh, all right.
All the way.
Now we got to get the hanger on, which we should have got first, but it's okay.
Hold up. This shit is supposed to go like this. Here, I'm gonna hold the exhaust where it's not touching, so you have to adjust it.
It's not Supra?
Jimmy's finally here.
Is that Jimmy?
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's...
It's Jimmy.
All right, Mr. Jimmy just made it here, and he has some parts for us to install as well.
Yeah.
What do you think? You just get free service here, bro?
I deserve it.
Show me what we got, bro.
Why the hell did you guys just back up the car and stay out of the sun?
It's so fucking hot.
Genius.
We didn't think about it. So what we're doing is Jimmy got some new center braces.
Yeah, basically, I have exhaust rattle, and I knew we're never gonna go on another car to fix it, so I made it a thing to go under the car. So might as well let's go install a part and fix it at the same time.
So Jimmy bought a car part to force us to do it.
For the team, bro.
Yeah.
For content.
So we're gonna go pick up some washers right now to space out the center brace for Phil's and Jimmy's car. We already did it on my car because we get shit done on my car. All right, let's go, y'all. Ooh, damn! I can barely hear the music. Oh, Nikki, you're so fun, you blow my mind. Hey, Nikki.
Hey.
Hey, Nikki.
It says 76, but it feels like 90. By the way, why you got a hoodie on and 2 t-shirts, bro?
Oh no, something wrong with you, Dad.
I don't know.
And a beanie, bro.
He said he doesn't know.
Bruh, how can, Dan?
How can, Dan?
He got Vietnamese Jimmy right here, straight from Vietnam. Get it at Home Depot, quick, grab some washers, in and out.
They're Hawaiian slippers, man.
I could smell them.
From Hawaii. You can smell them.
So, Dad, let's get some hot dogs at Lowe's. He's like, nah, I don't want to stand out in the heat.
No.
Look what he's wearing, bro. That's why you don't want to.
Supposedly heat resistant.
He resisted.
Got him.
All right, smack us back home. No, and we're back. We got the washers. We're gonna finish and wrap up this install, and then get Jimmy's install in on too. So right now, if you're using the OEM brace, we actually bought some washers, and we're just gonna stack them in the center. If you have enough, you can do it on the side too, but you honestly don't have to do it in the center. All right, there we go. We got some washers taped to the brace. We're gonna get it on, and then the clearance should be good. Dude, look at that spacing. That thing ain't rattling, bro.
Where is it? Oh shit.
You see it?
Look at that gap.
Watch, we'll show you on Jimmy's later, but look at that gap. There's no way. And it's not touching the heat shielding too. This is perfect. This is even better than mine, bro. But damn, this thing ain't gonna rattle. We'll show you Jimmy's. Jimmy's rattles like a bitch. And lastly, because every single leg exhaust, you gotta cover up. Where'd you get your exhaust cover from? Varus. This one's actually really nice. I bought mine from Juan online, but this one looks really nice. Yeah, it's just held on by these clips in the back. It's actually a pretty good design. It fits perfectly. What the fuck? Phil's just wiping down the exhaust. No fingerprints. And we're gonna start this baby up. Let it cool down. But that sounds, it's still loud, but it's way better than the fucking East Logic so freaking loud. Yo, that's pretty.
1,000 times better, bro.
Dude, that's way better than the Boost Logic exhaust.
Damn, that sounds good.
That
Catless
sounds.
too?
That's Catless.
That's good.
That.
Catless.
Sound way better than Vince.
Bro, I might have to go. Damn! I might have to go Catless now, bro. That was pretty nasty. Let's get it from here. Get a sound clip. All right. Dude, that sounds so good. All right. Later, bro. Oh my god, the blowout valve is so nasty, bro. Holy snap. But I don't want to go through the headache of installing it, dude.
No, no way.
Oh. So Dan's trying to figure out how to format it and how it's going to sit, but the instructions are in Japanese. So I can't understand.
This product is designed for Japan only. It must not be used in any other country.
Okay, we have Jimmy's car all jacked up and he's doing all his own work today.
Hey, if your Uncle Jack helped you off an elephant, would you help your Uncle Jack off an elephant?
Did I just say yeah?
He said yeah.
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 Wow. Let's go.
Let's shit away.
I love like suspension mods.
It looks so cool, but you never see it.
Yeah.
But you feel.
I'm gonna want this. I'm gonna have to get
$300.
it. Huh?
$300.
300? That's not bad.
That's not bad. That's why I was like,
not bad.
and it helps us get under the car.
I really want to know how it's. I think it's gonna clear the exhaust.
Yeah, we'll see.
I can see it already. It's gonna clear it. It cleared it.
Oh, it clears.
Bro!
Actually, no.
I...
No, it doesn't.
It does.
No, once you bolt it, it's just gonna touch. Okay, we can put a spacer.
We can put a spacer between it. What the fuck, son? Where's your dog?
Right there.
Oh, oh, fuck the EV6, bro. So this is one of my best friends' son. He brought his dog over, and he's about to meet my dogs. I'm gonna show you guys. Be right back, guys. What ratchet? Hold on.
Here, bro.
I gotta show them this dog meeting my dude dog. Alright, this is Cash. Cashew. And he's about to meet Macho Kilo. My dogs are about to eat you alive, Cash.
Wait, I'm just nervous because Kilo's a little.
Kilo first. Kilo first.
Let me hold him.
Okay,
It's okay.
He's
It's okay. It's okay. It's a baby. He almost knocked him out.
That's a wee wee.
Let him
I
go.
got Kilo. Hold on.
Son, be on the watch, bro.
Oh, he's fine. He's just gotta start running.
Watch out.
I'm about to catch Cash's death on camera.
Gentle.
He's 5 months.
Slow. Slow,
He's trying
macho.
to sniff his booty.
Yeah, he was trying to sniff his booty. He said, let me get up.
You will like straight try to tackle him.
Please. Please.
And he looking buff.
Please.
Yeah, does that have clearance? Hell yeah. Let's look at this thing. Wow. It's too bad those panels cover it, but it still looks sick as fuck.
You good, Jimmy?
You good?
Yeah.
Alright. Tang, tang, tang. Easy peasy.
Alright, last install of the day. I got Dan on this because he's so meticulous with his car. Loves everything black. Working on an infotainment screen that's black. The problem is it's a fingerprint magnet, so Really don't want fingerprints on there. I barely had just removed the actual OEM protection blue from there.
This shit don't even know.
During Springfest, so it's nice and new.
Marks everywhere.
It's actually even more marks.
Bruh.
$10. Piece of shit, bro.
Piece of shit, China. What the fuck is a protector?
Dan looking for protector.
I just
He
had
looks
it.
left. He looks right. Doesn't see anything.
right here.
It was right in front of him. Hand down, man down.
Wait.
I'm Mr. Bubbles. Bubbles are fun. I'm Mr. Bubbles.
Oh,
Oh,
My boss.
He's running a double drag here. Both hands. Both hands. He's got it on. Is there any bubbles? Left a fingerprint
Oh,
mark
no.
on the thing. Oh no, he's got a bubble here. He's stretching it out, stretching it out, stretching it out.
I'm good.
Look at Dan. Just fits perfectly. No seat. He's doing an Asian squat inside the Supra.
all right, we finished installing everybody's parts on their Supras. So I'm just gonna fuck it and we're gonna finish the install with my Supra. What do we got? Oh shit, what the fuck? It came with candy. Did you guys get candy in yours?
I didn't get no fucking candy.
Why? We didn't get no fucking
They love me. What the fuck is this? But we got a fire extinguisher for the Supra. I'm finally part of the gang. So the one that we went with was H3R Performance. Honestly, everybody recommends H3R for their fire extinguishers, and there's two different kinds. This one's the clean agent chemical free one, right? So when you use this fire extinguisher, it doesn't leave any residue.
Guys, if your car's on fire, just get one. If your car's on fire, just get one. If your car's on fire, just get one. Huh?
Yeah, no, but there's two different kinds that you should buy.
There's one that's really. They're both
There's
really
the
expensive.
Yeah, the expensive ones don't leave any residue, like the white residue you see from fire extinguishers. Make sure you buy the clean agent ones and invest in a better one, because if your car's on fire and you put out your engine, dude, that white residue or whatever.
It's only on the track, guys.
Yo.
You ain't tracking, don't matter. You don't need one.
Yeah.
We ain't never tracking,
We
bro.
ain't never tracked.
We don't need one. Haha. You want to see? So this is how you do it. Just like all the guys, we went ahead and did the roll cage mount. So it's gonna be right behind me, just in case I need it. Like, watch this. Dan, come here. Like, ah! Oh shit, it's on fire! See, it's gonna be right behind me. Now I'm gonna be able to put out the fire.
Give this man's an Oscar, bro. Oscar!
Alright, let's go ahead and fucking install this, and then we're gonna drink some Moscow mules and end the day. Because Dan's an alcoholic.
Had to add that in there.
It's a cat.
Always cat.
Alright guys, let's open this candy up and see how it tastes like.
He's eating my candy! Guys, I really don't know if I want to do this install now. I'm hot as fuck. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, you are, bro.
Ah! Subscribe to my OnlyFans.
That's some good candy. Hey, Jimmy. have
You ever
some.
make Winnie the Poohs?
Winnie the Goose?
Winnie the Pooh. 감사합니다.
Fuck.
Here, bro.
Dude. Clutch, because I was hungry.
Why the fuck did they give this guy candy, bro?
Because I ordered my shit off Amazon.
H3R, where's our candy? And give me my refund.
Wait, you guys are still installing car parts?
Alright guys, I guess we're not installing it. Let's go. This is gonna cap today's video. We're gonna go ahead and have some Moscow mules because it's too hot. I don't want to do any more installs. Fuck this shit. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye.